about that? It is April the 14th, 2023, day before the Tennessee opener of the 2023 turkey season. We've had to wait a little bit longer this year for opening day, and it's been rough on us, but this is 615 Woods and Waters. My name's Harley Jones, and this is Ryan Avery, and we're going to give you a little bit of a rundown on our plans for in the morning. We've got to pick up a new farm that we can hunt. It's got several birds on it, and we've been doing a lot of pre-season scouting. We don't know a whole lot about the farm, just trying to gather as much as we can from the road, and we've got several birds spotted this afternoon. A lot of pairs. We got three different pairs of birds that we've seen from the road, and we're going to try to get a game plan together and see if we can get in there in the morning and see if we can't whoop us a couple.
We'll see you guys in the morning.
See you in the morning.
Nice swinging land, Harley. You kill him whenever you get a chance. You just give me a heads up. I think he's turning.
He was leaving.
Hey, it's alright.
I thought you still had him, but
No, you good.
He had done.
He was leaving.
Up, and then he went to do that right there, and I knew, because I had these trees right here, and I knew if I didn't shoot him then, if he went right, I wasn't going to be able to get him.
Man.
What about that?
That's how we do it, baby.
Thank you, buddy.
Yes, sir. Well, let's go down there and get him.
Oh, man. Now there's turkey hunt. That bird, from where we struck him, he closed some distance quick, because even though he wasn't that far, he still closed some distance quick from that from the first gobble to the second gobble.
Yeah, real quick.
Golly, man. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, that's what I'm screaming. The new hat brought us luck. Well, he's a little farther quick than I thought he was. It's a long deer.
It is.
You got him on video. You got footage of him before I got him.
Yeah.
Okay. Two-year-old bird. But man, that right there is something. That's what it's all about right there. Oh, he's pretty. Well, this goes to show you how you can go from zero to hero when it comes to turkey hunting. Man, me and Ryan, we struggled this morning, to say the least. I mean, we ain't even, I've talked to a couple of my buddies, and I told them, I said, man, we ain't even been in the ballpark. We ain't even been in the stadium this morning. We ain't been on a bird that would work. I mean, pretty much since roost time, it's just been dead for us in the places we've been. And we come over here to one of Ryan's spots, and we actually seen a bird from the road, and went to try to set up on him first. Never could get him to respond. Had a bird respond pretty good ways over this way, but he wasn't answering real sharply. He was just hitting periodically. So Ryan said, well, let's come over here behind the house here and call down this little finger ridge right here. Kind of got hollers on both sides, and hit the call, and man, he answered right down in this holler. And we pushed in probably, I don't know, 30 or 40 yards and hit him again. And man, he had done closed some distance on his way. And we got set up, and it wasn't, I don't know, Ryan, what was it? I don't know if it was a minute after we got set up or not till you seen him. And Ryan seen him first. It took me a minute to see him, and he started working back and forth, kind of strutting right here, and he got to a there was a big old tree right up here that was kind of between me and Ryan. Ryan was kind of on one side of it, and I was on the other, and the tree was about 20 yards in front of us. And there was a little bit of, I guess, miscommunication on. Ryan had got the bird on film, and the bird started working back to my right, and he put his head up, and he was about to get nervous, and I knew it was do or die at that point. I was going to have to shoot him, and I thought Ryan had him, but turns out the bird was behind the big tree for Ryan. But at least we did get the bird on film, and that's my apologies for the miscommunication on actually getting the shot on film. But right here he is, and I couldn't be no more tickled. This is what it's all about. And now we're going to try to go see if we can get Ryan on one, and hopefully we'll be back with you here in a little bit with me behind the camera and him behind the bird. But thank y'all for being with us, and there ain't nothing like it. This is turkey hunting at its best right here. Thank y'all. cedar.
The big cedar.
Yeah.
You talking about the one right down here in front of me?
Yeah, the one that we was at earlier.
Oh, I see him.
Yeah.
You got him.
Yeah. You got him, didn't you?
Yeah.
Go get him, buddy. Ryan done busted him, son. That's what I'm talking about. Can't stop the flop.
You probably say 3-year-old.
Look at that, son.
Yeah, baby.
Give me some
Hoping
tight
they
wood.
may took all day. But here we go. Both of them.
Oh, God. My leg. Oh, it is asleep.
Let me tell you something. We have put in the work today.
Yeah, we have.
We have walked miles. Called no telling how many lungfuls of calling we've had. And this is like that fourth quarter 3-point shot for the win. This was our last sit, last resort. And it paid off in a big way. That is opening day for 615 Woods and Water with Ryan and Harley.
Yeah.
We've done it today. We have earned our 2 birds, there's no doubt.
We're blessed to be able to do this. That's a fact.
That's right. Well, alrighty then. We got a long way to get back to the truck. So we're gonna pack this bird out and head to the hospital.